Hi students, question number 9. The displacement y of a wave traveling in the x direction is given by y equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 into sine of 300t minus 2x plus pi by 4, where x and y are measured in meters and t is in second. Now the speed of the wave is to be determined. Okay students, this is the equation of the displacement of a wave, traveling wave or a progressive wave. So I will rewrite this equation. Y is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 into sine of 300t minus 2x plus pi by 4. Now what is the standard equation for a plane progressive wave? We have written y is equal to amplitude A into sine of omega into t minus kx, or kx minus omega t also we can take. Here it is given in that format, omega t minus kx plus the initial phase or epoch phi naught. That is pi by 4, isn't it? So what are the given quantities here? Amplitude is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Then what is omega? In place of omega, what is given? Omega is equal to 300 radian per second. Okay. Then kx. So this is the standard form k. K is equal to 2 is given. K is equal to 2. And initial phase epoch phi naught, that is equal to pi by 4. So in such problems, first you have to group the given quantities like this. Now which are required for us is omega and k. What is omega? Omega is the angular frequency. So I will take omega is equal to angular frequency, that is equal to 2 pi into f. Okay, so here what is the value of omega? 300. 300 is equal to what? 2 pi into f. Therefore, f is equal to omega divided by 2 pi. So this is equal to 300 divided by 2 pi. Therefore, f is equal to, okay, f is equal to 150 divided by pi. So this is one of the steps we require. The frequency is equal to 150 by pi hertz. Next, what is the value of this k? K is equal to 2. K means what? It is a wave number, is it not? Wave number. So here I will take k is equal to 2. So the wave number of waves per unit length. So this is also the number of waves in an interval of 2 pi. So 2 pi by lambda is equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, what is lambda is equal to 2 pi divided by 2, that is equal to what? Pi. Therefore, lambda is equal to pi meter. This is another important information we require. So, we have determined the frequency and the wavelength of the progressive wave. Now, what is asked? The speed of the wave is to be determined. Therefore, the speed is given by V is equal to lambda into F. Is it not? Wave velocity is equal to the product of what? Wavelength and frequency. So in place of lambda, I will substitute pi into, in place of frequency, what I should substitute is 150 by pi. So this is 150 divided by pi. So that pi and pi get cancelled. So this is equal to 150. Therefore, now the velocity is equal to 150 meters per second. So this is the required answer. So here first option itself is the right answer. Okay. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. So this type of problem, no, very, very important. You have to practice this type of problems, no, for competitive exams like NEET and JEE. I hope you must have understood them fine.